The Media Trade Conference is one of SEMA's signature programs. The conference consists of 3 days where media and manufacturers get together for 30-minute meetings.
We call it speed dating.
Speed dating type vibe.
It's basically speed dating for car people.
I call it SEMA's best kept secret, where it's an opportunity for brands and media to connect one-on-one.
And that's one of the biggest value points. When you go to the SEMA show, sometimes as a manufacturer, you don't have as much time to really get in depth with media or content creators.
SEMA and PRI are very sales focused. Here is where you really get strategic, where you can have those one-on-one conversations. This is where you really can get granular in your execution of your plans.
For someone who's attending the Media Trade Conference for the first time, I think the best course of action is to establish a strategy. And you say, look, this is what I do. This is the type of content that I build for this audience. Now, where's the match? And match yourself up with those companies so that you can build the best content.
You know, how important is it to build relationships with content creators and journalists and editors? On the flip side, if you're a media or content creator, if you're looking to really find a place to learn about new items and have more time with manufacturing companies, then this is a great event for that. Both the manufacturing side and the media side to really come together at this event, and that's why we do it.
The most valuable thing about attending the Media Trade Conference has been connections, that communication with all different types of media.
We walk away with a whole story list of ideas, new products, new initiatives from all the manufacturers that are here.
And when you build those relationships, you're the first one that gets the phone call. That's the beauty of this conference. This isn't something that you're going to gain overnight, but over the long term, this is really valuable.
The 2025 Media Trade Conference will take place in Orlando, Florida, January 21st through the 23rd. To learn more, go to SEMA.org/MTC.